Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. And yes people, winter has arrived. Look at this winter wonderland here in my hometown of Sollentuna, Stockholm. Yes. The original plan was to go to town and to walk in the city, but then I was looking, all the buses were cancelled. There was no trains going. I was like, nope, not gonna happen. We're staying in Sollentuna. So I decided just to go for a little stroll here in the area of Sollentuna, and yeah, the snow is blowing in my face, so it's not so easy to walk, but I just wanted to go for a little stroll and enjoy the beautiful winter weather. And it's not just snowing a little bit, it's snowing a lot. We have like 20 centimeters of snow. Like here you can see it properly. Maybe even more, maybe 30. Yeah, so it's quite unusual for Stockholm to have this much snow already in November, like on one day. So yeah, but it's beautiful. Let's check it out here. Don't really have any specific goal today. Just want to enjoy the snow. So how's the chat gang doing? Hope you're doing great. I hope the weather is actually I wanted to say I hope the weather is better where you're from. But actually I love this weather. It's nice. You can hear the squeaking of my shoes in the snow. So lovely. Hey. Oh, she was looking all happy as well. Like especially the children, they get so excited when it's so snowy like this. They just want to go and play with the sun, you know, build a snowman and throw snowballs at each other. It's really fun. Do like this. Okay, this is a classic. Oh, there we go. Hey. That's even fun for me, not just for kids. Alright, where shall I go? I don't really know. It kind of looks the same everywhere with this kind of weather. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go under the little tunnel over there. I'm gonna check out the little forest that we had over there. That must look really nice and white. Check it out. Ah, nice. It's not too cold actually. It's around 0 degrees, so yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, I haven't found new mittens yet because I did go to the Christmas market. But when I got there, it was like so snowy and it was like a horrible snowstorm, like worse than this. And all the people, when I got there, the people were already like wrapping up, and there were like half of them already left, and it wasn't fun. It wasn't a good Christmas market because the weather was too bad. Because you know when the wind is in a certain direction and it's very snowy, like it gets like, you know, when you have a market stall, it kind of blows like inside, and yeah. The camera is getting all wet and snowy here, but it's all good. It's all good. Yeah, in the meanwhile, this is just a few hours before Holland is playing in the World Cup football. We have our first match today and against the snow is causing a brain freeze. Who we're playing against? So yesterday was Ecuador against Qatar. Today is Holland against Senegal. So we're playing against Senegal. So yeah, really excited. Although the World Cup in Qatar is a shit show, we all know it. But you know, the sportive part is still fun. I still watch it. You know what I mean? Nice little houses here. So in front of us, that's actually quite funny. That's an abandoned shopping mall. Like this used to be a thriving not supermarket, shopping mall. But what they did is they wanted to close it down, like get rid of it and build apartments here and also there on the parking lot. And they built a new one like a few kilometers that way. But all this stuff has had a delay of like 5 years, so now it's been just empty for like 5 years. It's so weird. Well, anyway, that's how it goes. I guess they will finish the project at some point. But yeah, right now there's just a gym inside of it, and all the shops and stores are closed. So yeah, it's a bit funny. Oh, now I'm walking against the snow. Oh, that's funny. I don't know if this is a fun video to watch, but it's quite fun for me to walk in the snow. It's a bit challenging as well, because I can't really see anything. As I said, at least it's not super cold, so it's fine. Yeah, let me go under the tunnel here to catch a little breath from the snow. And I think I've told this story before, but once I went down here through this little tunnel and I bumped into not one, not two, I can't remember, let's not exaggerate now here, Daniel, but I think it was 4 or 5 deers that just came down this tunnel. The whole family of deers. It was so weird. Oh, I can hardly see a thing right now. It's so snowy. Alright. This is definitely the snowiest walk I've ever done. Oh my god. Everything for the channel, people. So yeah, as I said, I think I said in the beginning of the video, like I looked online on the public transport website and it was like all buses in the inner city are cancelled and all the trains had delays and things like that. I was like, I'm not even gonna try to go downtown today. Alright. So yeah, so this little tunnel here, it was really funny. Whole family of deers. It was hilarious because I was going to the swimming pool with my son like a while back. It was early morning, I think on a Sunday. Yeah. All right. Oh, I made it. Ooh. Oh. Hey. All right. Ooh. All right, you know what they say, there's light in the end of the tunnel. Whoa, it's way more snowy than I thought it would be. I looked out the window and I was like, nah, this isn't too bad. Oh, trust me, it is bad. So now I've gotten to the point where I can basically not really open up my eyes. That's better. I think I had some snow on my lens or something, I'm not sure. Oh. Oh, I don't know. I don't know if the video does the weather any justice right now, but some lovely houses here. I'm not really focusing on that, but yeah, so it's not just snow, it's like literally a snowstorm. It's like a blizzard almost. I mean, whew. And I have to see how long my camera will cope, because it's soaking wet, the camera, at the moment. Trying to blow the snowdrops off my camera. It's really nice and quiet. Oh, just when I said that, I heard some kind of alarm thingy. So I don't know exactly where I'm going and what I'm doing, but yeah, anyways, there's a lot of snow. This reminds me of the snowstorm I ended up in Bromma, when everyone said, "Oh, Daniel, you sound so grumpy." Oh, maybe I'm back in that mood again. Not sure. Nah, don't think so. I think I'm fine still. Oh, that's a greenhouse. So here you can get a pretty good impression on how much snow we've had. So yeah, I would say it's close to 30 centimeters, I would say. It's a lot. Like the last time we've had this much snow, like in one day, that must have been 2017 maybe. I have to keep cleaning the camera. Like I should have brought an umbrella, because I look like a Yeti right now, like the snowman. I don't know how a Yeti looks like, because it doesn't exist, but you get my point. Sorry to crush your dreams. No, it doesn't exist. Or neither does Bigfoot. I think the part I'm walking right now is actually part of Häggvik in Sollentuna. I'm not really sure. I never really walk here, so. Yeah, go up there to the main road and take a right, I think. I'll try. But I can't even see the main road from here. Because the vision is like so little. Alright people, I think I have to stop this video now because the weather is too bad, and actually I'm afraid that my camera will break down because it's completely soaked. So thank you for watching this crazy snow video, and I hope to see you tomorrow in slightly better weather. Alright, take care, bye bye.